Hey everybody, we're going to start class with a simple warm-up. You guys seem to be pretty excited about them being in your seats last week, for those of you that did participate. So go ahead and stay in your seated position. I just want you guys to put your back so it's up against the back of your seat and that your legs are straight and touching the floor, if you can touch the floor. I can't touch the floor with my toes. We're just going to take 2 breaths in and out real slow with our eyes closed. 1, 2. And then same as last week, I want you to reach up, inhale and stretch, and out. Again. So this week we're going to do something a little bit different from what we did last week. So we're going to take our hands up again. And with our hands still up in the air, you're going to twist from just your waist, so your legs stay pointing straight forward. And we're just twisting our back. Then you come back to center and exhale. I wasn't inhaled. Inhale again. And we're going to turn the other way. Oop, hands up, sorry. Don't do as I did. And back. All right, I want you to put your arms straight out and then take one and just do a shoulder stretch. The other side. All right, we're doing a lot of writing this week, so I want us to make sure that our necks and our hands and our arms are nice and warmed up and ready to go. So we're just going to start with our head, and I just want you to shake it. So however you want to shake it, just shake it out. Don't do anything too crazy because you'll hurt your neck. Just give a little shake, shake, shake. And now I'm dizzy. Anyone else dizzy? Okay. Do a little shoulder roll. And then our wrist, we're going to roll our wrist around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And then I just want you to wiggle your fingers. Okay, we're good to go. All right, let's do our vocal warm-up. We're going to do the same one from last week because some of you were still a little like, oh, what am I saying? So again, it's whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot. We'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. And so every week I want you to be able to say it a little faster, a little louder, and a little bit more clearer. So this week, let's all try it. 3, 2, 1. Whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot. We'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. Now that I've done it, I want all of you to try and do it as fast as you can with it still making sense. And go. Hopefully you guys all did it in that amount of time. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, we got a lot of vocabulary this week, so let's just dive right in. We got a lot to learn. We're finally getting into some theater, guys.